Hey everyone, this is Melinda Kimber and I'm here today to talk about our eyes. Our eyes are our most delicate part of our body, and because they're so delicate and because the skin is so sensitive, we always tend to have some issues with it. You know, dark circles, fine lines. What about some puffiness every once in a while? So all of those things are annoying. And so today in this video, I'm going to show you how to properly apply your eye cream to avoid these things. What ingredients that you need. Hi, Jeannie. What ingredients you need to have and need to avoid in your eye cream, as well as, hi, Molly, and as well as 5 foods that you should add today to your diet that are going to help you with your eye bags and your dark circles. So the first things first, let's talk about the skin in general. So the skin around your eyes is so delicate, and because of this, it's less elastic and it's really thin, and this increases as we age. So as we get older, unfortunately, these issues like fine lines, puffiness, and dark circles tends to increase because of the thinning of the skin around your eye. So you never want to apply any kind of product or eye cream to this area directly under your eyes or on your eyelids, because this can cause the pores to clog and it can increase that puffiness that we're trying to avoid in most cases. So the closest you ever want to get to your eye is just right here on this orbital bone. And I know you're like, what the hell? Like, I'm sitting here trying to help this area, and if I can't apply a product directly to it, then how's it going to improve? And because this skin is so delicate, just applying a product over here on your orbital bone, it's going to suck the product to where it needs to go in any of this eye area. So you're just going to apply the product to your ring fingers, tap them together, and then just pat all the way around your eye. And you can do it all the way around, and it's actually kind of therapeutic to do it, to sit here and do this to your skin. But that's the closest you're going to get to your eye. So if you're not currently applying your eye cream that way, then you want to improve that and you want to change that right away. You always want to pat it, and you never want to get closer than the orbital bone, and you never want to rub on this area or the area directly on your lid. So next thing we're going to talk about is ingredients to avoid. Unfortunately, a lot of eye creams and moisturizers have preservatives in them, and these preservatives help increase the shelf life of our products so that they can last longer. And in the US, there's no one regulating these products or the ingredients that they use. And some of the main preservatives, especially in eye creams, are formaldehyde-releasing ingredients. So formaldehyde is a known carcinogen, which can cause cancer. And this is what's in most of our eye creams. So if we're applying this to our skin, it can cause skin irritations and allergies. But also, think about it. Anything that you apply to your skin is going to be absorbed into your bloodstream within 26 seconds. So you're applying something to your skin, it's getting into your bloodstream, therefore it's getting into your body. So you could be putting cancer in your body. And that's one thing that nobody needs. We have enough issues to deal with. We don't need to add cancer to the mix. So there's a handful of ingredients that are known as formaldehyde releasing products and preservatives. And I'm going to be posting those in the comments below as soon as I finish this video. And the first thing you want to do is run a check on the ingredients label of your products and make sure that these formaldehyde releasing ingredients are not in your eye cream. If they are, you need to just throw them away. I don't care how much money you spent on them. Chemotherapy is a lot more expensive, so we just want to avoid those kind of things. And the reason we have to worry about these kind of issues is because there's no one regulating the skincare industry, unfortunately, here in the United States. So we have to be our own kind of like monitors of the safe and ethical things that are in our products. And if we don't take that stance and kind of be proactive about that, we can have that issue. Hi, Megan. Hi, buddy. And so you kind of have to be your own kind of government when it comes to your skincare and your body products. So I'm going to be posting those in the comments below, so you want to check that. So the next thing we need to talk about is 5 foods that you can add to your diet. They're going to help with increasing or decreasing your dark circles and those eye bags that everyone struggles with. And in order to do this, we really need to add hydrating foods, because one of the main reasons that we have issues with our eyes is dehydrated or excess fluid. And when we're dehydrated, this thins that skin and causes the dark circles, and we have excess fluid that adds to the puffiness. And so these foods full of hydration are going to be really great. And then any kind of circulation boosting antioxidants to help move those blood vessels and move the area around is going to eliminate those dark circles, which is great. So the first one, it's kind of my favorite. It's kind of doesn't seem fair that it's a product that you can eat to help benefit you, is watermelon. Watermelon's 92% water, so it's full of that rehydration that we need to help with our eyes, and it's full of antioxidants that are going to help this as well. Second one is cucumber. So cucumber has vitamin K in it, which is going to help the elasticity of our blood vessels, and it also has collagen boosting silica as a main ingredient in cucumber, which is a huge benefit, especially when we're talking about this area around our eyes. Now, two products that I think are really crazy and total opposite, but they have the same effects, are blueberries and tomatoes, both of which are not my favorite products, but I add them to things because I know of the health benefits. And both of these are very high in antioxidants. And these antioxidants specifically are going to help protect those blood vessels, especially around our eye area. And they're going to help increase the circulation to our eye. So it's like a twofer on both of those. And the last one is celery. Celery is going to help reduce the puffiness that we see around that delicate eye area. You know, every day we have so many stresses and we put a lot of strain on our eyes in general. And, you know, this could be due to, you know, genetics. We could just be dealing with what we're dealing with. But a lot of it has to do with age. We also have, you know, we stare at screens all day long. I mean, you guys are staring at a screen right now watching me. So computer screens and our phones and our TVs, this can add the added stress around to our eyes, as well as alcohol, sugar, and different products like that. So all of these little tips are going to just help in general to improve the look of our eyes in that area. Now, if you don't currently have an eye cream, I'd love to help you with that. And I will be going in depth, detailing a few of the eye products that I recommend and use, and walking you through those products over the next few days in my private Facebook group. So just let me know. Say add me below, or maybe even post a watermelon, and I will add you to the Facebook group where you can watch me go in depth and in detail on those specific products. And I'd love to give you those recommendations. So we have talked about our eyes, what to avoid and include, and how to properly apply our eye cream. The ingredients that you need to avoid are going to be in the comments below. And the 5 foods, watermelon, cucumber, blueberries, tomato, and celery, that you can add to your diet. They're going to help in the appearance of fine lines. They're also going to help with your eye bags and your dark circles. I hope this was a real eye-opening video, hardy har har. And I hope you guys will tune in as I go live sharing skincare tips and organic facts in the future. Talk to you soon.